Hi, this is Bobby, Managing Partner of Ideal Events. Ideal Events is 360-degree solution for all kinds of events with strong four pillars, that is me and my wife and my friend Chinna and his wife Sasi. We have 10 years of experience in event management by providing services for photography, catering, decoration and entertainment for all the events like weddings, birthdays and corporate events. We have offices in Hyderabad and Kakinada and we provide services pan-India. My friend Chinna has 20 years of experience in photography and I have a 20 years of experience in project management and event management. Other two ladies have experience in decor and catering. We'll make sure that whatever the services we are providing, that will be with more quality and commitment. Coming to the customer relationship, our goal is to make sure that we should have a long-term relationship with the customers with a lot of bonding. We proudly say that after the end of the event, we'll be like a family member of customer. Nowadays, pre-wedding activities like mehendi, sangeet, are more memorable for the family, and we'll make sure that the concept will be created according to the family members, and we make sure that everybody is participating in those events. Wedding is a lifetime event for every family member, and we'll make sure that each and every element of the wedding will be more like a celebration, starting from engagement, mehendi, sangeet, wedding and reception. We have very good experienced team for the photography to provide the traditional photography, traditional video, candid photography, cinematic video and drone. And we also provide services for the pre-wedding shoot and post-wedding shoot. We'll make sure that your events will be more memorable with our photography for lifetime. Every parent dreams about their children's birthdays. We'll make sure that theme-based decor and entertainment will be provided along with the photography and catering for their events. We have very good masters for the vegetarian and non-vegetarian along with the South Indian and North Indian food with a more professional experience, and we'll make sure that very good ambience will be there in food counters along with the food quality, and I'm sure every guest who is coming to event will be enjoying our food. Kids to old people, everybody will enjoy their event. Coming to corporate events, we require the more conceptualization and theme-based activities for the employees. We'll make sure that every employee will engage with their activities, and we'll make sure that it will be a lifetime memory for their events. We have very good reviews in Google and as well as many followers in social media. I can proudly say that Ideal Events is one of the best event management company with more ethical values and more reliability with the customers. I feel proud to be part of event needs. As an event manager, I can get verified and filtered data of all category vendors. So our life will be easy to get more reliable vendors, and we'll make sure that we'll be providing the best services to my customer through event needs. Thank you, Event Needs. This is Bobby from Ideal Events.